we're going.
All if you knew what I'd do for a decent house and a plate of food. Better pray don't make the news. That's raw, that's raw. Look, Pat going up north like Pogba. Kev just stepped out of Rehab last week. Still trying to score like Didier Drogba. Dan just looks like Harry Potter. Told the cats they should call him Oscar. Hit the M with 2 phones up. Now I'm trying to come back with Qualla. Violate bro, no. I'm a family guy like Stu, but I still gotta do it like Mac from Shaw. I was on the island like Nelson Mandela. Left on the wing like Sonia. I never saw sunlight for nearly 2 years. I feel like Mac.
Oh, here they are. Found them. Didn't get very far. Where are we going? Where are we going, boys? I don't have a clue who any of these are. What's up that way? I don't know, about to find out though. What's on there? Where even are we? Camberley's left. Alright. Don't know why I left their indicators on. Don't need to. Let's see if I know where I am. Been this way before. This is like Frimley, I think. I think it's pretty cool. Oh look, tunnel one, I know who they are. Can't believe that. You alright? I'm in neutral. I don't know where they're going. Don't have a clue where they're going. Let's just go up here. Oh. I'm just fucking... I know who they are now, but I don't know where they're going. Bit risky, really. Oh, come on, mate. Oh, I need some music. Oh. Huh?
Army.
Oh, okay, where? Camberley?
Meadows.
Okay.
And then we're convoying.
Going to a car meet at the Meadows. You guys probably heard that better than me. I've got fucking music in my ears. I know where they've gone. They went over there, weren't they? So we're still in lockdown, by the way, guys. Just thought I'd make you guys aware while I'm riding around solo. I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are.